How to make payment? How do I ensure my payment is secure? Many customers are worried about payment security, and we understand that very well. In fact, you don't have to worry at all when cooperating with our Funsun company. Let me explain to you. 1. You can watch videos introducing our company, showroom, and factory on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and other media. Our company is in Shanghai, China. If you have a friend, or a friend of a friend, you can entrust him to come to our company to have a look on the spot, confirm that we are a real company. 2. We have participated in many exhibitions, including those in Shanghai, China, Dubai, Colombia, Peru, Brazil, South Africa, etc. You can take a look at the pictures and videos of our exhibition. You should be able to trust us as a real company. 3. We have been selling printers for 15 years. We have customers in more than 100 countries around the world. Tell me, which country are you from? We can share with you some real information about our local customers, for example, their contact information, their bank payment slip. 4. Do you know Alibaba? We are Alibaba Gold members for 10 years. You can pay us by credit card transfer directly on Alibaba. Alibaba, the website platform, will also provide a guarantee for your payment. You should trust us now, right? Contact us now to place an order.